How to use Mureka AI. I'm going to tell you how to use Mureka AI. 1. Sign up and log in. Visit mureka.ai and create an account. Once registered, log in to access the dashboard. 2. Create a new project. Click on the Create button to start a new music project. You'll be prompted to enter details like genre, mood, and tempo of the music you want to generate. 3. Generate music. After setting your preferences, click on the Generate button. Mureka AI will process your inputs and produce a unique music track based on your specifications. 4. Edit and customize. Use the built-in editor to make adjustments to your track. 5. Download. Once satisfied with your creation, download the track. Mureka AI provides options to monetize your music, such as selling it on various platforms or using it in your own projects.